Hi, welcome to the Baby2Sleep 12 Days of Christmas mini-series. I'm here with Danielle from Red Beau, and she's going to talk about her craft business and some of the amazing things she's got set up for Christmas for you. Hi Danielle, how are you?
Hi Nicole, I'm good, thank you.
Fantastic. So tell me a little bit about what it is that you do.
So I have an eco kids craft supply business. So the idea behind that was plastic is sometimes quite a useful material, but with parties and a lot of kids crafts, it's just used once and it's a complete waste. So I wanted an eco-friendly alternative. So most of what I do is for party bags and for gifts for children and for Christmas packs. So which is obviously the right time of year for that.
Absolutely. That's brilliant. So it's all about being eco-friendly, but actually still giving that something to the families and to the children without having to destroy the environment, which is really, really nice.
Yeah.
So how long have you been doing it for?
For around 6 years now. So it's been a while. And things have changed in that amount of time. So my products have changed. Last year I launched a Christmas Eve refill pack, because a lot of people have Christmas Eve boxes now. It's the craze.
Oh yes, I'm in that club.
I've not quite gone there yet. But once you've got your box, you need to fill it with stuff, and you don't want the whole kit every time. So I created a kit which went down really well last year. So I've added another one to the range for this year, so that people have got something that isn't a load of plastic tat, is a bit more unique. And yeah, fun for the kids to do on Christmas Eve.
Can you show me?
Yeah, absolutely. So in the packs, there's two different ones. You get a board game. So you either get it's called candy canes and crackers. That'll be backwards to you, but it's like snakes and ladders, but Christmas version. Or there's another board game that I developed. So it's a bit of fun there. And then you get your dice and counters with that. It also comes with a paper aeroplane kit, a notepad, Christmas notepad, quite a thick one, lots of pages, chocolate coins, because that's important, personalised with the name. And depending on which pack you get, there's grow your own Christmas tree, which is cress seed, so it grows really quickly, so the children can see a result really quickly. A star wand, which goes like
beautiful.
A wish wand for Christmas, or this is a new product for this year. It's flying Santa. So you make a Santa, he comes out the chimney and you blow the straw and he shoots out the top.
Oh, that's amazing. Can we see that?
Yeah, let me show you.
Oh, do you know what? The kids would love that. To colour it in themselves?
Yeah, they colour it in themselves, and then there's instructions there on how to assemble it. Oh, so it's a bit of fun. Christmas Eve.
That's better than some of the stuff that I've seen as well that comes out for Christmas Eve. That's brilliant. And I love the way you've incorporated the board game thing, and the fact it's not a massive big board game in a big box that has to kind of sit around all year.
Yeah.
I think actually it's small enough that it can go away, but big enough that it can actually be played with. Yeah,
that's right. And it's great for a variety of ages as well. It's quite simple instructions, and most kids know how to do snakes and ladders. So yeah, it's just good fun that they can just get stuck straight into.
That's amazing. Right, brilliant. So when do people really need to actually get their orders in with you if they want them in time for Christmas?
Yes, well, I'm hoping there won't be any supply issues.
Seems to be the thing this year, isn't it? That's why I'm doing these interviews. I need to give people something else, somewhere else they can go and look for something. Do you know what I mean? If the shelves decide that suddenly they are going to suddenly be empty. So.
Yeah. Well, they're out now to purchase. You can get them on my website, which is www.redbeau, that's beau.com. And you'll find them on there. And all being well, they'll be available till mid-December to give enough time for postage. So yeah, there is, as long as they're still available, I can get all the components. I might be able to swap some out if there's any issues. But there is a large stock available right away. So I'm not anticipating that being an issue. So yeah, mid-December you can order until, but the sooner the better, just in case.
That's brilliant. Right, so you can also go over to the Red Beau Facebook page as well.
Yep.
Link into there. So we've got the website, we've got the Facebook page. You've also on Instagram, aren't you, as well?
Yep, that's right. Yep, on everything.
Can people purchase through your Instagram page?
Yep, they can. There's a shop on the Instagram and the Facebook that they can click on, and it will take them straight through to, you can view all the products on there, but you can click on them. It takes you straight through to the website where you can finish the purchase.
Brilliant. It's amazing, isn't it, how everything is literally at the click of a button wherever you are now.
Yeah, that's right. They do make it a lot easier, which is nice.
That's brilliant. Right, that's absolutely fantastic. Well, I hope you've enjoyed it, everybody. I've absolutely loved your products. I think they're brilliant, and I love the fact that you are just eco-friendly. They're absolutely fantastic.
Thank you.
I think I'll be getting my purchase in with you as well for our Christmas Eve box. Sophia will absolutely love the flying Santa. I think Alicia probably will as well, but we'll see. But yeah, so we'll get that out, and like I say, head over to Red Beau and get your Christmas Eve box filled and get your Christmas crafts in. Thanks for joining me, Danielle.
Thanks, Nicole.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.